Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to fix discover button missing on TikTok. So basically, discover button should be located on TikTok app at the bottom left corner of the screen. But if for some reason, if you don't have discover button, you can do it easily.
However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process.
So simply open up any browser on your device. So simply open up any new tab and go to tiktok.com and of course log into your account. So don't open app, just simply tap on not now. In the bottom left corner of the screen you'll be able to see this search icon. Simply tap on it and this is discover.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.